Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder. You need to begin by going into Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Samsung Voice Recorder. After that, download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Select Allow in the pop-ups. Click on this red button. And select while using the app. As you can see, after that my recording is on. If you wish to discard it right away, you can pause it by tapping on the same red button and tap on discard on the left when recording is paused. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To start a new one, tap on red button. And to add a bookmark, select this left one when your recording is on. Type in wherever you wish to, or not at all, and select OK. Now to end it and save it, tap on check mark on the right and hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my recording was successfully created. You can play it by tapping on it. If you wish to rename it, tap on those three dots, click on rename option and type in wherever you wish to. Then hit OK. You can also tap on the same three dots to manage all of those options, like for example edit. Last but not least, to delete your recording, you can hold it and tap on this bin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Or select the same three dots again, selecting delete option at the bottom and hitting delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!